I hope and pray that you can get on the right track, and I absolutely and undeniably hope that this message brought you some degree of benefit. I hope that at the end of the day it could at least make you think that maybe, just maybe, there's more to what's going on than meets the eye, and maybe, just maybe, I'm not the best version of myself yet. And that's not to promote fear, but guys, anytime you think you've got it figured out, that is a dangerous man-eating trap. Because if you think that you've got it figured out, you will reach a certain state of stagnation where you don't grow. And this leads to a huge waste of time. In time, I view time as an element, and I interact with time as an element like I do air, fire, earth, and water. You need a system that can remind your subconscious mind of your minimal time here, so that it can put some fire under your ass to get busy. Once you realize that you're not going to live forever and that you have minimal time here to get the things done that you need to get done, you guys, it'll motivate you to do things that can ensure that you live a healthy, long life. You see what I'm saying? Once you realize that this is a transitionary state between two realms and that you are not immortal, at least not yet, it'll put some fire under your ass to get busy. And once you learn to utilize time to your benefit, your life will grow in ways that you've never imagined. And I'm not just talking about utilizing time to your benefit as, I'm going to work for such and such hours, and then I'm going to do this, No, I'm talking about working on the self. If you can learn to maximize time by working on yourself and getting some healing done, you're going to open up more time for yourself. Do you see what I'm saying? We've got to heal, you guys. We've got to heal.